सिर्फ गैस ही क्यों, मैं तो खैर लेता ही नहीं हूँ, और जो लोग ले रहे हैं उनकी लिस्ट मेरे पास भेजिए, मैं सब ठीक कर दूंगा।
Well, I don't have anything new to say. I do agree with that. I personally think that people should give up the subsidies, but I think there are mixed reasons why people sort of tend to delay the process of doing that. One, I think sometimes you just need a long time to get convinced because subsidy is a discount of some sorts. So that is one. And secondly, yes, the system is very painful. So I think that's more or less what.
Well,
You can add.
something really hurt me always is when I see people eating and leave food, you know. If you don't eat that much, you should not take. And the whole idea of give it up is a very interesting concept that any of us who has extra clothes, extra food, extra gas, whatever, we should give it up. And coming back to music, somebody just asked.
Yeah.
We have
One
three
second,
ones.
I'll just, before we start about music, just to add to this thing, though it is not related with the film. अभी जब ये जो सब्सिडी देने की बात हो रही है ना कि give up the subsidy, you know, we should not, हम लोगों को राशन कार्ड की जरूरत नहीं है. We don't buy rice, sugar on a rationing basis. But please, अगर ये बात अगर आप लोग पहुंचा सके तो पहुंचाइए कि भाई चक्कर क्या है कि अगर मैं राशन कार्ड छोड़ दूंगा
You won't get your
ना तो
passport.
पासपोर्ट छोड़िए, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी बंद हो जाती है. तो फिर जबरदस्ती एक राशन कार्ड मैंने रखा हुआ है.
That's
तो ये
right.
जो जबरदस्त लोग ये भी डर जाते हैं कि यार कल को मेरे को गैस का कनेक्शन मुझसे पूछ लिया गया
That's right.
तो मैं क्या करूंगा यार.
That's right.
So it's not a simple thing. It's not as easy as कि भाई आप लोग give up कर दीजिए. Give up करवाइए ना तो आप चीजें उतनी simple कर दीजिए ना.
That's right. That's right.
मेरी समझ में नहीं आता है कि पासपोर्ट जो है that is the only document which proves everything. मैं वो पासपोर्ट लेके जाता हूँ, लोग पासपोर्ट नहीं लेते हैं.
आधार कार्ड.
वो कहते हैं आधार कार्ड है नहीं तो कहते हैं राशन कार्ड लेके आओ. क्या मतलब है यार.
Radhika ma'am, you have portrayed urban characters in your film recently in Badlapur and so on. So how did you prepare for this rural character which you have done in this film?
Well, I don't have a distinction between rural and urban, so black and white distinction anyway. So I think every character is different, and the preparation for every character, that's rural, urban, whatever, is different. But still, if you want to stick the word rural to it, I've played rural characters before. So I think what was different was that it was from a different region, so it had a different history to it, and different culture to it. So I think this was him who sort of briefed me, and my preparation involved that.
And you recently entered into tele experience.
I haven't entered television. I did one telefilm with Anurag Basu, and I'm very proud of that. And that's it for now.
But for the fact that your films, if you see the past two films, Badlapur and Hunter, they've been critically acclaimed and commercially successful. So you seem to have got that Midas touch now, and things are working
Don't
great.
jinx it.
No, we want it for this one. We want it for sure.
So tell us, is it?
No, thank you, brother. We want it. Radhika is our lucky charm, and also I'll tell you one thing. This trailer does not do justification to the kind of role and performance that Radhika has in the film. She is, brilliant in the film, and she has, in fact, the longest and the most strong role in some of her recent films that you've seen. Then, in comparison to those films, this film has tremendous performance from her and a role that has all the.
I don't know about that.
But
Sir,
Gulshan ji,
water is a national problem, water crisis. So are you expecting a tax-free from the government, or you are trying tax-free? So
जब ये सौरभ जी कह रहे थे सब्सिडी के बारे में, तो एक ख्याल दिमाग में जा रहा था कि सब्सिडी के साथ कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि गलत लोगों को मिल जाती है. ऐसी फिल्म जो सब्सिडी, टैक्स माफ, हर उसके लिए दिस फिल्म इज द राइट एग्जाम्पल. ये फिल्म कमर्शियल भावना से नहीं बनाई गई, हालांकि एक कमर्शियली एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है. जैसा कि बताया, कलाकार अगर ऐसे होटल्स में रहे तो मेहनताना भी हमें क्या मिला होगा. तो सौरभ नहीं तो हम तो यही चाहेंगे कि ऐसी फिल्म को सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट आप मीडिया का मिले कि ये फिल्म को टैक्स मार्क भी हो, लोग देखें भी इस फिल्म को, ये हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है। और हमारी इस फिल्म को लोगों तक पहुंचाने की डेस्परेशन इतनी, देख लीजिए मुझे तो कोई कपड़े पहना कर बुला नहीं सकता, मैं तो अपने सेक्सी सूट पहन कर आता हूँ, बट इस फिल्म के कपड़े संबलपुरी कपड़े पहनकर कि somehow this film gets registered. Thank you.
Kunjan sir, what do you think of the FTI problem that is happening?
कौन कितने पानी में
याद रखती, तो बहुत मुश्किल काम था।
किसिंग सीन के बारे में बताइए।
No, it's been great. I've had a really good time working with her, and you know, I think we have a comfort level. We became friends while shooting the film. I don't know who I'm talking to right now actually, because I don't know who's asked me the question. Where are you?
Here, sir. You are left.
Acha. Yeah, so I think we had a really good time, and I can sort of speak for both of us, hopefully. I think we became really good friends while shooting the film, and I think you know, when you get along, there's a comfort level. I think the scenes become easier to do. So yeah, it was great. We had a really good time.
Members of the media, last 2 questions, if any.
गुलाब, तो क्या हम अभी आपको ज़्यादा on screen देखेंगे?
जी, अब उम्मीद यही है. I was just looking back at my career, and I realized I've done just very few films, and I don't think that's a good idea. I intend to do a lot more work. देखिए, दो तरीके होते हैं लाइफ में. एक तो ये होता है कि आपको जो मिल रहा है आप करते रहिए. दूसरा ये होता है कि आपको जो पसंद आता है और आप जिस चीज़ के लिए एक्साइटेड होते हैं वो करिए. So far I've chosen the latter. Hopefully there will be scripts that I really enjoy, and lots of them. So I will be able to stick to the latter. But if that is not a possibility, I think I'll have to sort of take a slight step towards the other side as well.
So how's your married life is going on?
Well, so far so good. We're having a really good time.
Thank you. Thank you, members of the media, for joining us. This press conference has definitely been very special because just talking about the film is inspiring so many of us. We have so many questions coming across. So.
बैठ जा भाई। बंगाली इतना मिल गया। बैठ जाओ भाई दादा। ये दादा भाई अरे कितना बैठ गया कितना बस मान मैडम लोग लगे जाएगी गाय लगी क्या लग रहा है किससे धोया वो किससे धोया अरे बैठो भाई जरा सर बैठ जाओ ना सर जाने के तुरंत गाय